Okay, today we're going to unbox the USB-C power adapter and USB-C to lightning cable. Both are for charging the iPhone. As you know, charger is not included in the iPhone box. So you need to purchase this separately. And this is expensive when you compare to other smartphones charger. The price of the USB-C adapter itself is 1900 rupees. Here you can see here, and surprisingly even the cable is of the same cost, 1900 rupees. And this is a 1 meter cable. You will also get a 2 meter cable, which is again a bit more expensive compared to this one. 1 meter should be more than enough. Unless you need a 2 meter, then go for it, right? So let's unbox these two and also test the charging time on the iPhone, how long it takes to charge it. Let me first start unboxing the power adapter. Oh, that's strange. I didn't expect a guide for a power adapter. Okay, do we have Apple sticker by any chance? No. All right, so where do we have two books? This one is the warranty. This one, oh my god. Okay, since there are different languages, so for English it's basically only 3 pages. Okay, let's keep this aside. Definitely no one is going to read them. Pretty sure not for a power adapter. Cover wrapped around it. I will keep it as it is till it wears out. What do we have here? It says designed by Apple in California, 20 watt, and all the other stuffs. Okay, it's time to unbox the USB-C to lightning cable. I like the small tag. Just tear it out and unbox it. It's pretty neat. Okay, we do have similar pages inside this. Certification and compliance, regulatory compliance, and the warranty summary. All right. For this price, it would have been better if they had included a sticker. You know what I'm saying? Right. So let's remove this. Okay, this is the USB-C port end and this is the lightning cable end. Alright, on the cable we can see here it says designed by Apple in California. This is the first time I'm seeing something of Apple product which I'm seeing assembled outside China. It says assembled in Vietnam. This is the best thing about buying the original cable. You can see this print here, and Apple always suggests to use the original cable. Although it's expensive, it will protect the device. Let's go ahead and test the charging time on iPhone. Alright, so let's test the charging speed. You can see my iPhone is at 16% now. Let me charge this phone with the new adapter and cable and see how long will it take to cross 80%. Okay, the time now is 16:39 and you can see the battery percentage is at 16%. Let me plug in the charger. Nice. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll resume the video once the charging is done. Alright, so it's been an hour. Let's check the phone and see how much percentage it's been charged. It's 80%. Great. So in 1 hour it charged from 16% to 80%, which is 64%. And I follow Apple recommendation of not charging above 80% to preserve the battery health. Alright, so it's time to turn off the charger, disconnect the cable. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. So please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.